citizens, making the third defendant applicant a party in this suit. The second defendant also equally filed a notice of preliminary objection, challenging the competence of this suit as it relates to it on the ground that there is no reasonable cause of action against the second defendant, and urged the court to strike out the name of the second defendant, Custodian and Allied Insurance PLC. In the argument in support of the preliminary objection, the second defendant stated that after it was served with the claimant's process and after going through same, it was discovered that there is no reasonable cause of action to be maintained against it, and therefore the objection it was argued further that to consider whether the claimant have no reasonable cause of action, the court is to consider the statement of fact or claim referring to the case of Uchechukwu and another versus Binkan 2019 LPLR. Now, this is the court's decision. I have taken time to go through the objections of the second, third, and fourth to sixth defendants. And I must state right away that one critical thing to note among all the applications is that they remain interlocutory applications seeking to have them excluded from the trial by affidavit evidence or mere submissions on points of law without putting the claimant on the spot by way of trial to see whether he has a case or not against the objecting defendant. I have also taken time to go through the claim of the claimants in his pleadings, and I have also read through the pleadings of the second prosecution. All I can say here is that the substantive matter cannot be decided effectively if any of the applications by way of objections and motions were allowed to hold sway, and I so hold. I hold further that from a reading of the pleadings of the parties, that issues have been sufficiently joined, the matter before the court should proceed to trial for avoidance of any doubt regarding the objection of the fourth to sixth defendants. This court has jurisdiction to hear the matter as constituted against them. They ostensibly realize this and have filed their statement of defense and issues joined in the matter. That preliminary objection cannot be taken because my reading of it will cause me to delve into the substantive matter, having not heard from the claimant at the commencement of hearing, which should be the next stage of the proceeding. The preliminary objection of all the defendants as filed together with the motions are hereby struck out, and the suit is to proceed to trial. Ruling is entered accordingly.
Last court, please. Last court, please. My lord, we have the appearance of M.I. Umar for second respondent.
M.I. for second respondent?
Yes, second respondent, M.I. Umar.
Okay, what of the claimant?
Then the claimant is absent, my lord. Then okay. Tirmizi Mohammed for the third respondent. Tirmizi, T-I-R-M-I-Z-I, Muhammad for the third respondent.
Tirmizi Mohammed.
Yes, my lord.
For the third respondent.
For the third, yes, my lord.
Okay. All right, so that is it now. The matter is, I've ruled that it's to proceed to trial. Okay, all the objections are dismissed and struck out.
As court,
the one of the third to the fourth to sixth defendants, I think I said, if I'm not mistaken. So there are things that they can raise it in the trial, and let them test the objections there through trial. So thank you for this. The things will be sent, I think, before Thursday. The proofread copy the signed copy will be sent, and then we will get the file too. Among the ones
thank you,
Thank you so much. So my
Okay,
regards
my
to
lord.
everybody in Kano.
Thank you, my lord.
All right then.
They
Thank
will
you.
hear, my lord. We are most
All right.
grateful, my lord.
All right. I'll be in touch, like I always say.
Okay, my lord. Okay.